Make your ex regret leaving you. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about something very special. How to make your ex regret leaving you. I know it sounds crazy, but it is possible. You will see that you can do it and you can make sure that your ex will regret and come back to you. But before to share with you my secrets, my tools, I want you to smash the like button and to make sure that you will subscribe to this YouTube channel. Because every single day from Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, or myself, we are here dedicated to give you our best advice. Now, let's dive into today's subject, how to make your ex regret leaving you. Tips number 1, we have to change your mindset. Because I know that after a breakup, you're always considering that the problem is coming from you, that you will never be able to change, that your ex was right. No. We have to leave the sadness. We have to stop thinking about the past and seeing all of your mistakes. I want you to remember this advice. You have to grab a paper and a pen and jot, why are you a good partner? Why are you a good partner? What can you give in a relationship? If you want to make your ex regret leaving you, you need to know your value. Tips number 1. Tips number 2. An ex will always leave you and think that he was making or she was making the right decision. So they will show to everyone that they are happy, that they have made a good decision, that they should have broken up before. Now you need to be able to protect yourself from this situation. You need to never listen to your ex again. This sounds crazy, but the best advice I can share with you today is to protect yourself, because most of the time your emotion will just comes up and you will do mistake. When you will see that your ex is posting new pictures on Facebook, Instagram, your ex is always saying that it was the best decision, and you will want to prove them that they were wrong. And when you do that, you communicate with them and you become needy. Everything that we don't want. So instead of trying to be right and trying to show them that they made a bad decision, we'll just focus on showing everyone around you, your family, your friends, even if you have friends in common, and your ex, that you're doing things in your life. As human, we value what we don't have. So if your ex is seeing you going out, doing new activities, rebuilding yourself, at this moment, immediately, they can regret leaving you. Immediately. Tips number 3. It's all about showing and using social media. It's all about showing that your life is different. Okay? So first, we want to make sure that everyone is seeing it. Then we want to use social media and show that every single day that you will live, you will do something new. It could be a yoga class, salsa class, cooking class. It could be some gym activities, change the way you dress, going for a photo shoot. But every single day, you need to wake up and know exactly why did you wake up. At this moment, your self-confidence will grow. Okay? So if you want your ex to regret leaving you, they need to see that you have better self-confidence. They need to see that you have dreams and goals. This is why I insist. I want you to make sure that you will make your ex regret leaving you by having the best life possible, the life that you always wanted. If you have some goals to travel, it's time to do it. If you want to quit your job and create your own company, it's time to do it. Every big actions will make your ex regret leaving you and make sure that they will come and see you differently. So it's time for you to feel empowered. It's time for you to just get control of your own life. Talk to your ex like he's just a friend, not a super friend, just a friend. Yeah, I talk to you. I don't care. I control my emotions. If you don't do this, they will take you for granted. this is why I want you to stop and always change your behavior. Okay, guys, so it's very important for you to, first of all, recreate your life, control your emotions, do new actions, talk to your ex like a friend, use social media, show everyone that your life is better, because this will lead you to a new communication, and your ex will just restart the relationship with you because they will fall in love again. If you have any question, feel free to come on our website withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session with Coach Abby, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, or myself. It's time for you to smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Guys, you can make your ex regret leaving you. But for that, you need to make sure that you have your own life, that you're doing everything that you want to do. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye.